Greetings everybody, it's Nazir Ra, and I'm here once again doing an experiment actually with Alkaline Supreme Power pH water drops. It's what we use here, it's what we highly endorse, and we're going to start off with just a little education, just give you a little background. To test the pH of water, this one is used for pools actually, and for aquariums to test the pH so that the water is healthy for the fish, just as we need a healthy, bloodstream. Well, fish as well, and when you have a swimming pool, you have to have a proper pH. That's another indication that alkaline and the pH is very important. This scale here indicates the darker the purple is, the higher the pH. The darker the purple is, the higher the pH is. These drops are placed into the substance to indicate what level of pH the water is at. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to just pour some spring water into these glasses. This is Vaso spring water, artesian water, and we're just using that as an example. Okay, so we have regular water in both of these. Okay, in this particular glass, we're going to actually put the Alkaline Supreme. The Alkaline Supreme, we're going to do only 5 drops. And we're doing that just to indicate you don't have to use that much in this small amount of water, but we're trying to show you clearly that it raises the pH. Okay, that's 5 drops there. Alkaline Supreme. You go to alkalinesupreme.com. Okay, so we put the drops in this glass. This glass has not, this is a control, this one has not received the variable. So now I'm going to do 5 drops. First, let's do this one. One that has not been treated. Okay, that's 5 drops there. And we're going to put 5 in here. Clearly, you immediately see the difference in color. If you look very closely, you can see the difference. And as I stir these, you're going to notice the pH right before your eyes. You have the purple color here, and you have the yellowish color here, which represents basically garbage water. This is acidic water. Disease, toxins thrive in this acidic water here. Okay, and once again, here is your scale. And you can see here that this is clearly alkaline water. Okay, we're back again here. We have lemon, and I'm sorry, my wife indicated to me that I said it was lemon, but it's actually lime juice. So let's go ahead. Start it again. Bottled water. Okay. We're gonna do, I don't know if drops can come out of this, but let's just do 5 drops. Whoops. Okay, we're doing a lot of drops. This is lime juice. This is lime juice. This is regular water. People say, Nazir, I don't have to buy that because I can just use a little lemon juice or lime juice in my water. Okay, let's do it again. We're going to start with this one. And we know 5 drops. 5. See for yourself. See, this is how we get away from a lot of arguing and a lot of debate. We had somebody on YouTube talking about, I heard that if you stare at the sun, brother, I can get the same effects of your nano gold if I just meditate in the sun. What do you think about that, Nazir? I said, brother, do your own experiment. Get out there and meditate and stare at the sun. First of all, let's see what kind of trance you're going to get into. First of all, you're going to be blinking your eyes and sweating to death. So you're not going to be able to relax. But, do your own experiments. Look, this is for information only. At the end of the day, we all are adults. We make our decision. Okay, so we clearly see the results. The water that had the lime juice is still yellow. It's still acidic. Just as acidic or even more acidic as the regular water. Okay, we're back again. We're back again for the baking soda. Some people say that, Nazir, look, I can just add baking soda to my water. That'll raise the pH and make me have alkaline water. Well, let's see. Put a little baking soda in here. Mix that up. And this is, of course, our control. So now we're going to test it to see if it actually does raise the pH. This is our regular water. This is our water with the sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. So people, yes, it's true. You can walk around with a box of baking soda like this, and when you get your bottle of water, you just dump some baking soda and drink it, and you can have alkaline water. I will caution you though, it's not to be ingested. You're not supposed to drink this on a large basis, and you have to be very careful of how much you put in there. Your pancreas actually secretes sodium bicarbonate into your stomach to neutralize some of the acids in your stomach. But I think I'll just go with the Alkaline Supreme. But the bottom line is we want to try to raise our alkalinity in our blood so that we don't play a host to viruses, bacteria, fungus can be in your blood. All types of diseases come from that. It breaks down your DNA, it makes you age actually. We want to have an alkaline, healthy body so we can be around to see our grandchildren and our great-grandchildren, okay, and not live, you know, and you know, you go to certain places, people just suffering in hospitals day after day, just suffering every day. It's a form of hell. It's definitely a form of hell, and we don't want to have that. So we want to put this this alkaline water into our bodies so we can alkalize our blood. Bacteria, fungus, they cannot exist in that environment. This is why fish tanks, you notice fish tanks, when a person gets an aquarium, they always have to check the pH. Because if you don't, it becomes too acidic because of the feces and the urine, which is really ammonia. In that aquarium, you'll start to have fungus grow on the fish will die. So that's letting you know this is nothing to play with. You have to maintain the alkalinity in your blood. So go to alkalinesupreme.com, get your bottle of Power pH. It is also available at a discount, so if you buy two, I think you get like $10 off, so you can keep one in your office or at your job, and you can keep another one at the house. Okay? Once again, it's Nazir Ra. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below, and I'll see you next time.